Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to save AI responses as notes in NotebookLM so you can easily organize and reference important information later. First, open NotebookLM and select the notebook you want to work with. Next, ask NotebookLM a question about your sources. You can request a summary, explanation, key points, or any information you'd like to explore. NotebookLM will analyze your sources and provide a response based on the information available in your notebook. Once the response appears, look for the option to save it as a note. Click the Save button to add the response to your notebook notes. After saving, the response will appear in your notes section where you can revisit it anytime without needing to generate the response again. You can rename, edit, or organize your notes to keep important information easy to find. And that's how you save AR responses as notes in NotebookLM. It's a simple way to keep useful insights organized and accessible whenever you need them. Thanks for watching.